Alright, so here's a 2018 Yamaha PW50, PeeWee50. What we're going to do is an oil change. What we're going to be using for the oil, I like to use the best Motul 10W40. I use this for all of my bikes, every dirt bike, crotch rocket, you name it. They got the best stuff that you can possibly put in any type of oil, so strongly recommend this type of stuff. I know Yamaha's not going to like that, but that's the good stuff. It clearly says that it needs 300 milliliters of oil. The oil drain screw is this bottom one right down here. So we're going to unscrew that. That's a 12 millimeter bolt. And of course, this is where we're going to pour it in there. One thing also, make sure you run the bike for about 2 minutes at least to warm up the oil. It's just going to be that much easier for it when it drains out. So once you have all the oil drained out, you're going to want to go ahead and put the screw back in. Tighten it up. Next, you want to take your motor oil, fill it up to 300 milliliters. So, using my measuring cup, got it set to 300 milliliters. I'm going to pour it right in the bike now. Take the cap filter. And tighten that. And there you go. Got an oil change done for the PW50. So if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe, like, comment below. Appreciate all of the support. Thanks.